Hello, I'm Director Ho, one half of the ophthalmology siblings. People often ask about what is this. This is H. These days, many patients come to our clinic saying, "My eyes are extremely dry. No matter how much artificial tears I use, my eyes feel dry again very quickly." In many cases, this isn't just a lack of moisture. It's because the oil layer that protects the tears isn't being produced properly. Of IPL treatment, non-laser light therapy, which addresses that underlying cause. Dry eye has many causes, but they can be broadly divided into two. One is reduced tear production from the lacrimal glands. The other is excessive evaporation of tears from the eye surface. What prevents tear evaporation is the oil layer covering the tear film on the eye surface. This oil is secreted from oil glands in the eyelids called the meibomian glands. Dry eye often occurs when these glands don't function properly and oil secretion is reduced. Inside the eyelids are the meibomian glands I just mentioned. When these glands become blocked, oil doesn't flow well. As a result, the protective oil layer doesn't form, and tears evaporate quickly. IPL treatment reduces inflammation around blocked meibomian glands, eliminates abnormal blood vessels, restores gland function, and helps oil flow more smoothly. In other words, it's not just symptom relief. It's a treatment that restores tear balance by addressing the cause. Now let's look at the actual procedure. First, when the patient lies down, we apply gel around the eyes to protect the skin before IPL treatment. Without the gel, burns or pigmentation can occur. The gel helps distribute light energy evenly and minimizes skin irritation. Please close your eyes. Next, eye protection is applied. Because IPL light should not directly reach the eyes, we either use protective eye shields or simply have the patient close their eyes for quicker treatment. And because some patients find eye shields uncomfortable, I usually proceed with the eyes gently closed. Please close your eyes. Now we begin the IPL irradiation. As the IPL light is delivered, it reduces inflammation around the eyelids and helps restore meibomian gland function. You may feel a slight warmth, but there is almost no pain. It feels similar to a warm compress. Typically, for one eye, we apply IPL about 10 times to the lower eyelid. Open your eyes. Close your eyes. 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 We do not treat the upper eyelid. The skin there is thinner, so light can reach deeper structures, like the cornea and retina. Stimulating important blood vessels there can cause complications. Although rare, this can lead to difficulty opening the eye. Also, there are fewer treatment areas on the upper eyelid, so the effect is limited. Because the risks outweigh the benefits, we focus only on the lower eyelid. The meibomian glands are thicker and more numerous in the lower eyelid, and blockages are more common there. So treating just the lower eyelid is sufficient. Doing more than necessary increases the risk of burns and pigmentation, so overtreatment should be avoided. Next, we perform eyelid squeezing. After IPL, the glands are more open, so we gently press the eyelids to express the oil. This step helps remove clogged oil. There are various tools, but I prefer cotton swabs because they cause less tissue damage. Please look up. You can see the clogged oil being expressed. Finally, we remove all the gel. If needed, a cooling pad can be applied briefly to calm the skin. There may be mild redness afterward, but since we use very low energy settings, it fades quickly and does not interfere with daily life. After the procedure, a slight warmth or redness may remain for about a day, but this is rare and usually resolves by the next day. IPL is a safe laser treatment. Typically, one set consists of about 3 sessions at 3-week intervals. With each session, meibomian gland function gradually improves and dry eye symptoms are significantly reduced. However, one set does not permanently restore the glands. Ongoing management is needed. Over time, the glands can become blocked again, so repeat treatments may be necessary. Between sessions, warm compresses during the 2-week interval help. Melt the oil. Cleaning the eyelids regularly with cleansing pads removes bacteria and helps prevent inflammation. This helps the treatment effects last longer. IPL treatment restores the balance of the tear film. It doesn't just reduce symptoms, it helps the eyes maintain moisture on their own. If artificial tears alone aren't helping, it's very important to identify whether the issue is tear production or tear evaporation. At our clinic, we use Luminous, an FDA-approved top-tier IPL device, which significantly reduces the risk of burns and pigmentation while providing stable, reliable results. We tailor IPL treatment step by step based on each patient's eye condition. If you're curious, feel free to come in for a consultation. This has been Director Ho from the Ophthalmology Siblings. See you later. Goodbye.